Oh, hi. I didn't see you there. Just putting some air in my tractor tire. Hold on a second. Hey there, little builders. Welcome to Tools for Kids, the ultimate destination for kids who love to learn and play with tools. I'm Mr. Elliott, and I'm super excited to be your guide on this incredible journey of discovery. You're probably wondering who I am and where we are. Well, like I said, I'm Mr. Elliott, and this is my workshop. Hey, over here. My workshop's pretty big, don't you think? So since my workshop is so big, I get to work on lots of cool stuff in here. I get to work on trucks, cars, tractors, and even construction equipment. And because I work on so much equipment, I've got a big toolbox with a lot of tools, and I'm excited to share them with you. Have you ever wondered what a wrench does? Or how a hammer works? Well, you're in for a treat, because right here at Tools for Kids, we're diving head first into the interesting world of tools. But we're not just talking about tools, we're gonna put them to the test in exciting DIY projects. Get ready to roll up your sleeves and join us in creating cool stuff right at home. It's like having your very own toolbox of creativity. Whether you're a preschooler taking your first steps into the world of tools or an elementary school explorer hungry for knowledge, Tools for Kids is perfect for every age. We're here to make learning an adventure that's as thrilling as it is educational. So what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and join our growing community of young builders. Let's unlock the mystery of tools together and turn every day into a tool-tastic adventure. Thanks for tuning in to Tools for Kids, where learning is fun and curiosity is our favorite tool. I'm Mr. Elliott, and I'll catch you on the next video. Until then, keep building and keep exploring.